What's up guys, Shahbaz here. So the OnePlus 12, why it is worth the wait? The new OnePlus 12 is set to come with some significant upgrades that will make the wait really worth it. The current OnePlus 11 has not been on the market that long, but there are already a few rumors and hints about the new OnePlus 12 doing the rounds, and they are actually so exciting that the wait is definitely worth it. To know all this here, please watch the video till the end, and if you are new here, for our daily tech news and updates, please consider subscribing and press the bell icon as well. When is the OnePlus 12 coming out? Officially, it is not yet known when OnePlus will present its latest smartphone model. However, leaker Yogesh Brar recently posted that the company is likely to push the release of the OnePlus 12 forward in China to December 2023. That could be earlier than expected because the OnePlus 11 was launched on the China market in January 2023. The global release followed in February. If the hint is correct, then the OnePlus 12 could appear in the US, Europe, and other smartphone markets in January 2024. How much will the OnePlus 12 cost? Unfortunately, there is not any news regarding the official prices of the smartphone. We can guess and get the idea here. The previous model OnePlus 11 with 16GB of RAM and 256GB of storage was priced €919. Thus, it is expected that the new OnePlus 12 will be priced around €1,000. What new features will be in the OnePlus 12 smartphone? Although the OnePlus 12 is still around half of a year away, there are already a few leaks that are really interesting. Among other things, again by Yogesh Brar. If the details are correct, then the OnePlus 12 seems to continue to rely on a 6.7 inches AMOLED display. This comes with the well-known LTPO technology with up to 120Hz refresh rate. The first major update will be the integration of the new and not yet released Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 processor. Thus, this is expected to be presented at the end of 2023. The new chipset is said to offer improved performance and energy efficiency, but it is particularly worth waiting for the new generation since the OnePlus 12 is supposed to come up with a new camera system. OnePlus is said to rely on a 64-megapixel periscope camera with which you can take particularly high-quality zoom photos. Those details aside, there are reports of a 5000 mAh long-lasting battery supporting 100-watt fast battery charging, which is the same as the OnePlus 11 smartphone. So it looks like the OnePlus 12 will get rather small upgrades overall, but they will be good enough to make the smartphone worthwhile. That's it for now. For more updates, please subscribe to our channel Science and Knowledge. Until the next video, take care of yourself very well. Peace out.